Good morning, everyone. Sorry for a late start here. Okay, I'm Kelvin from Round and Search. Today, we will be looking into the day trading, which I think we have a lot of people like to look into this. So, what are the things that we are going to look into it? Today will be slightly different. We're not going to look into the the theoretical opening. We're still going to look into it, but just that I have a list that I want to look into it because this is the earning season. So we are using this earning seasons to look into the market. So I have shortlisted some of it, which they have announced they have done the announcement the day before the last trading days, which is showing some of the good announcement, good earnings out of it. So we are using this for day trades. Why we are doing this is because the big boys, they will not miss out this opportunity that they have good result coming from their trade, okay, from the stocks that they are looking at it. All right, let me share my screen. And of course, before I share you this, remember to give us a like and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, and share this out to more of your friends who like to look into day trading. And tonight we will be having our the webinar, how big boys move the stock price that they don't want you to know. So it's starting tonight at 8:30 p.m. So if you want to find out more, you can find it in our Facebook page. So this one is on webinar. Wait, let me find it. Okay, I'll share the link to you guys so you can. I'll share it in the comment section so you guys can do the registration over there. So click on it, click on the join event, and then you can get you can sign up from there. All right. So right now is 53 seconds. So we're going to look into the market right now. So shortly listed a few of this. What we're gonna do, same thing, look into the TO volume, see whether it's good for us to look into it. So 3 cents up. Usually we know when the good news are coming out, the stock price will have a gap up. So after gap up, the price move up higher, and then after that, the next day the price goes down lower. So that's why we are taking this advantage of what the big boys are doing. So they push the price up higher, then we go in and then we take the profit. Okay, that's it. That's how we are doing it. All right. And of course, let's see. So far, it doesn't hit our. The only thing that hits our TO volume, the pre-open market entry, is actually this one over here. So I might look into both of this. So quarterly earnings period, we have quarterly earnings kind of trading into it. So this is how we can have it. Oh, I forgot to paste it. Facebook site. Okay. So good morning, everyone. Say hi to me if let's say you're watching this. So earnings report. So 5 minutes to market open. I think we have to secure one of it. Let's see. This one gap up 660, which is somewhere here. Okay, nice gap up. This one gap up 355, which is here. Not that much. How about this? This one will have a gap up. Okay, 5 cents, which is 750, somewhere here. I think all of it is actually good for us to look into it because most of these are actually showing sign that they have the intention. But I think this one seems is a more aggressive one, so we might look into this. All right, so 3 more minutes to market open. Let me get ready. And of course, I forgot one thing about this. I'm making my coffee over here. Right? So let me get ready my coffee first so I can look into the market. So still the same thing, we have to look at it one by one. I mean, making local coffee today, not the usual, not the usual specialty coffee or anything. Because it's August. So August is Merdeka month. So Merdeka month, we need to have Buatan Malaysia. So I need to share with you guys. Recently, the Cambodia job, everything is actually quite in trend. So you guys have to be careful. Don't fall into all this. You can make money at home, like using when you know how to look into a stock market, right? So you don't have to go up to that far. Yep, this is my coffee. So it's a little bit different on how I do the coffee. Slightly different. You guys can have a try into it. Have a try to do it this way. This first, I need to get some eyes. 1 minute. Let me transfer this. Show you guys that we will be having a webinar. Okay, I'm back. Market left how many seconds? 9 seconds. So I'm looking into this one. So quick. Oh no, market open. So I'll just get whatever I can get right now. All right, I couldn't not enough of time to get at the TO. Not enough of time to get it at the what do you call that? The market open time. So this one TO volume, how much is it? TO price is 660. Pardon me, I have to do some shaking, so you might have some sound on this. Done. Coffee is done. Oops. Why I shake it is because it with ice, then it can gives you more aromatic when you drink it. You can try this at home. AR-tronic also. Wait, I need to look into both of this. At the same time, we'll look into AR-tronic also. Of course, you guys, whatever you guys are watching right now, there will be a delay, so it's just for you guys for the educational purpose only. All right. Five, 0 from here. They have already moved to 16065. Looking at the wrong one today. It's going to take some time for it to move. So I'm looking at the transaction price. Notion they refill 360. I need to check like whether when they have the transaction that comes in, whether it's like a fast one or a slow one. Slow taking 365. They are trolling. They are trolling. So Optimax moving up to Optimax is moving up to back to 660. This market Airtronic throw it back down to 470. Foot movement is important. 660 throwing back down. So we do see there's a huge sell queue over here. I'm not worried about it because as long as they have a big sell queue, it's better than big buy queue because it shows that they have shares up there. majority of it is moving sideways right now. So let's expire. No change. They don't refill, electronic don't refill the buy side. Six 660 refill back to the bottom. 300 plus. No refill 470 means I know they are not going to move up. They're not ready. Same goes to this one of the max here also. Optimax. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the question box. Sell, but they are not selling much from here. 760. All is moving downwards right now. 655 throw 200 plus down. Let's see this big throwing over here. Any of the seller following. If let's say no seller following, then you don't see of it, because looking at this right now, there's not much of retail investor going in. So if let's say they want to attract more buyers, then they have to push the price up higher. There's no adding buy queue over here so far. Buy queue is still very little, so they need to attract some of them actually to come in. See, after this, there's another 200 that is dropped out. Just have to wait for it. So it's a you need to know when to continue to hold and when to continue to when you need to actually cut loss and go. So that is the main thing about day trading, you know. So it's about when, it's not what price, what is the best price. So I don't like to put what is the best price, or the what you call that, the profit target. The reason is because if you are putting that is you are not following the market. So when you're not following the market, you're not following the big boys, you're just putting your own expectation into the market. So remember, you're not the big boys. So that's why it's important to do that. So if let's say any one of you who are really interested in day trading or any of the short-term trading, you need to learn this up first. By the way, this is one of our students that find this out, that we can use this method to look into the market during the quarterly, the earnings period. I find it can be done, it works, just that just now is a bit, I go get my eyes and then I'm late into the market and then not able to find what is it. My bad. 655 are being bought back up and back to the buy side. Oh, there's a lot of volume are being created for today. Sell queue refill, buy queue about the same. Let's, come on, turn the volume. Big boys, come on, turn the volume. Create the volume. I mean, you guys can only see one of my screen, but actually I'm looking at two of the screen. Refill this. They are not clearing this very fast. 655 refill to 877. Let's see any questions coming in. No questions. Zero, 200 down. $570. Refill 30 lots, refill 100 lots. That's 1,000 over here. Of course, if let's say they want to attract the buyers, they won't put a huge sell queue at this point. The reason is because if let's say put it sell queue at this point, then retail investor will find that, wow, there's a lot of selling pressure. In fact, that is not a selling pressure, that is just an order, sell order. They can cancel off anytime. So it's our way of looking to the market, the analysis is I would say it is the idea, the principle of it is actually quite contra with the traditional way of looking into it. Okay, so I mean, I find this one is actually quite okay. The reason is because like, look at this. A lot of us, we know 90% of the retail investor lose money in the stock market, right? And we also know majority of them, they use the traditional way of analysis, technical wise, fundamental wise, whatever it is. But they are still at 90%. So basically we are learning from the same textbook. So we need to learn how the 10% of them, what are the things that they are looking into it, so that we can actually we follow this 10%, which I don't think this 10% of people, they are not using the technical analysis to look into it, or maybe the traditional analysis to look into it. Why? because they are the one that, you know, the big boys. So we have to follow the big boys way. So this 10% is actually making money from 90%. We know that the 1% making profit, making money from the 99%. They don't review 470, so I can't look into it. So you need to use the way of this 1%, how they actually make the. So you want to be the 10% or you want to be a 90%. So 90%, you continue with the textbook analysis that you can learn from Google, from training courses, right? So I find that why the training courses are still teaching the same thing, and why people are still signing up those training courses is because you can find those online on the internet. So I don't know. If you want to learn, I can teach you free for the traditional analysis, chart pattern, indicators, all this. I know it doesn't work, okay, because I don't use it. You don't see any of the indicators that I have over here. I mean, maybe for some of them, they hear this, then they'll hate me. I mean, it's true. I'm telling the truth. But truth is always hard to accept. Else off, I just put it aside. This one don't review, I can't do anything. They're not going to move anywhere. Even though they clear 470, they try to move up 475, but they don't review, means that they have no intention to move up. I see the price move back up. So it's taking a bit longer than usual for our trade here today. That is day trading. So day trading wise, not like always you have like stocks coming in, or you keep on trading like those in the US, or you watch those Hollywood movies. In US, yes, you can do that, move in and out, in and out, in and out. But Malaysian market, yeah. That's why I don't want to waste time to sit in front of the monitor from 9 to 5, because usually the active time is either in the morning or 11, or sometimes sometimes 11. Actually, the most active one is always morning and also 3 o'clock. So these two timing, 4:30 sometimes, 4 o'clock sometimes, 4:30 sometimes, 11 sometimes. So sometimes you got nothing. So when last time I sit from 9 to 5 for day trading, looking into screen and stuff like that, then I find that something is not right. Why? Because suppose we should let our money to work harder for us, right? So right now I'm sitting here and then I'm working to, looking at work harder than my money. So that's why I find that, okay, never mind, just pick the right timing. Like in the market, we need to pick the right market cycle and then to use the right trading method into it. Like for example, we need to pick the right timing for day trading in the morning, done. Then after that, we can look into short-term trading, if let's say there are any. So free and easy. So I mean, we have already spent a lot of time to look into do our day jobs, right? So you don't want to spend any of the time. Like, you want your money to work harder than you. That's the purpose of you investing into the stock market. Of course, learning actually takes part. First thing, you need to learn how to do it. If let's say you do not know how to do it, then there's no point. You will still work harder than the money. It's done, this one. $655. How is the market? This is okay, correct. So Merdeka, when is Merdeka? Next week. Next week. Is it a long weekend? No, it's not a long weekend. Throwing down 100 lots from here after the QQQ. Wait, let's analyze this 655 area over here. So they added 800, and then let's see any retail investor actually comes in. This odd 181 might be retail investor park inside. 50, 30, small one. So if you want to know like very precisely whether it's the time that they are going to throw the price down lower, then we need to read all these transaction changes and the buy orders. Because you need to know one thing, big boys, they attract retailers to come in so that they can sell, they can take profit, they can sell it to them. And I forgot about one thing. And what did I want to say again? I can't remember. And recently I always have this problem. So I need to have some almond. Is it almond? Yeah, they want to attract the buyers to come in so that they can sell their shares to them to take profit. So there must be enough of retail investor actually start to comes into the park the orders in, then only they can push, they can sell it to them. So how do they attract them? Of course, today they have a good news, so they have already created gap up. So they just need to wait for the retail investors to come in. If let's say they don't come in, then they need to push the price up higher to attract the buyers to come in. So that is what they always do, the usual things that they do. So this is what we are looking at. All right, let's look back into this. Not very liquid. I think this one, no. Don't look at it. Finally, take 300 at 66 cents. And of course, one more thing that this method, you need to move out fast. $10 lots, 300 lots, 10 lots. No difference. Of course, you need to get ready for any of the exit. That's where you need to train yourself. And not so far. I think this one, and this is the stable one. The rest of it, the price has already started going down. Whether I will have nasi lemak today. Roti kosong. Waiting and waiting. Yeah, one thing is that why the price doesn't really move up much or high is because this one, the you can see the buy sell queue is actually lesser. So which means it's not very attractive to any of the proprietary traders. So if let's say it's not, because proprietary traders is the one that actually create a lot of volume. They can actually create a lot of volume. So the difference is like the day before, on Friday, Dayang, why the price can shoot up a lot is because it's more favorable. There are more shares out parking there, so it's much more liquid, more floating shares out in the market. So that's why, together with the prop trader move in, then easy to move the price up. Oh, they cancel this and then move into this 20 lots. Doesn't make sense. You need to make some urge, create fear of missing out. They are not on the top active list. Today market, oh, down 0.5%, no wonder. I think hard to get retail investor to come in right now. Because retail investor will be afraid to jump into this right now because they see, oh, index down 0.5%, very scary. So that they will just stay away from it. It's already half an hour. Oh, right, we see smaller lots are coming in. Tick. Or same second. Showdown. Oh, wait. Oh, look at this. Once they want to clear, they can clear it very fast. So that's why you have to see this. Once they clear it very fast. So right now they need to refill the buy side here for 665. If they don't refill, 665 they clear it very fast. 660 they clear it very fast. Just pop. Circle lip matter. Right. Then it's gone. 665 they have some throwdown over here, but it's only like few hundred lots. They throw down nothing much. You just leave it here, let the retail investor to come in to fill up from here, because retail investor will be like, wow, 660 suddenly gone, 665 and it's gone. Then right now it's at the buy side, so let's queue at 665. Where was I? Because I was looking at something else. So let's see whether they refill 665. 665 throw back down. This is the crucial moment that we need to see whether they will continue to push the price up higher or not. If let's say they are clearing later on, when they are clearing 670 is slowly they clear, excuse me, they clear it slowly, then we know that, okay, something is not right. Then we have to get up. HSI gap down, good. Because I'm expecting HSI to go down. Like I say, if you have joined my Sunday market prep, the market right now will just be up and down, up and down, up and down. So we need to pick the right thing and right trading method into the market so that then you can actually make profit out of it. If let's say you are still using a lot of resistance breakout and also like a support broken, okay, done. 665 clear, no refill yet, so we just have to wait. If let's say you're using those resistance breakout indicators, then you will have a lot of false signals going into it. Okay, so like fail, breakout, then pull down, then move up again, then goes down again, then you have a lot of cut loss. So this kind of moment, you'll find that it's not working. So that's why you guys have to know. So sometimes you see that why some of the technical analysts, they are good. Everyone like shouting, oh, it's very, very accurate during the uptrend. When it's going down into the market, then, or maybe the market start to change into a sideway and things like that, then they can't perform. Because traditional technical analysis is just telling you like the trend, what right now, what is the trend, okay, and then right now whether it's moving sideways, it doesn't actually provide you on how to trade next, but it's just telling you what is happening right now. I think I say this many times before, but I don't think a lot of people know about this. But you guys know because you guys follow me. So we need something that tell us like right now, what are these big boys doing? So we know that how to react to it. If they need to move the price up higher to attract buyers, then we follow. If they, until a point that they don't want to move the price up higher, then we just stop. Exit. Oh, it has been a while that I haven't do such a long live stream. But it's alright. We can just watch it in the market and see. Oh, okay. Optimax have made it to the top active list. Finally. So people are seeing these stocks right now. So let's see. Buy Q any. So we can see buy Q over here, 100 lots. 3 seconds later, another 60 lots. Then about 20 seconds later, 85. 5 seconds later, 35. So all this could be the retail investors are coming in. So they are not touching 670 yet. You can see one lot throw down like 200s to 665. Clear some of them. Selling out some to some of the retail investors. Throw down 665 again. Then they'll wait. Let them refill 665. It's only 100 over lots, 200, 300 over lots that they come in. 300 plus lot. They can't be just distributing this little. Big boys, if you need more, gradually move up higher. Still no nasi lemak yet today. 365 withdraw. 36 lots withdraw at 665. And throw 20 lots out. Six six five, take 665, 39 lots. Left 9 lots over here. Retailer are start to coming in to Optimax. Because the way that they are buying is like all these odd lots over here. Buying a little bit and buying a little bit. So they have attracted the buyers. So we need to see whether they refill. The buyers are coming in to park at 660 and 655 and 650 or not. If let's say they don't park inside here, then they will not throw it down lower. But not much, just a very small amount of retailers are coming in. So they need more, means that they need to move up more, churn more. Mm-hmm. 670, take one lot. Yeah, don't think they're gonna clear 670 so soon. Unless 665 they refill back. They always let the retail investor chase. So if they see retail investors start to queue in more at 665, then they clear 670. Then the retail investor start to queue at 670 again, then they will clear 675. You know, it's like the opposite way of how when you want to sell. So when you want to sell something, it's like you always park at the sell side, right? When you park at the sell side, the price goes down lower, and then you need to cancel, and then you park at the sell side again. And then when the price goes down lower, and then you cancel the order, and then queue at the lower sell price again. So it's like never ending chasing down, and then let you never ending chasing up. That's why I say never queue. I don't like queuing. Even if I go to a restaurant, two restaurants next to it, there's a lot of queue over here and there's no queue over here. Yes, I know that maybe this one, the one that have a lot of people are queuing up at that point, might be much more better, but I won't go for it. This one maybe is not so nice, okay, on the right side, not very many people queuing. I will not go that as well. I'll just go for McDonald's. At least I know the taste is consistent. So I will not choose both of the restaurant. One is too many people. One I'll go like maybe when there's lesser people in that. So I think I can continue to. Sorry about it. Upstairs, doing renovation. Not sure whether you guys can hear that. I think you should be able to hear that. Oh my god. It's 670, 10 lot. I can't complain because it's daytime. Six, 7, 0, 10 lots again. And stop buying 10 lots, okay? You're not going to push the price up high. You're not going to clear 670. See that? Gonna take some time for this. Alright. So if you guys need to do your job, go ahead. Alright. Go and do your job. I think what I would do right now, I'll just 660 300 6 sell down. I'll just do the cut loss at 660. So no orders. I mean, like, no, what you call that? I don't have nasi lemak today. I go for roti kosong, alright? So I just call it off here today. The noise is really, I can't continue with this, right? So thank you very much for joining. Sorry about the noise, and today, no nasi lemak for everyone. Okay, so I'll continue to look into this, and see you guys again. Thank you. Bye bye.
Wrong and search. True traders react to the market.